welcome back. So today we are actually going to be getting the motor back in the car. So we're going to be doing that here pretty quick. I'm probably going to not record the whole thing like I did last time, just do a few time lapses, get it back in, and kind of get things rolling. So it's a few things that we can't fix right now. So being that it's Sunday, so as you can see, that's got a hole in the fuel line. So I'm not going to be able to get the car started or anything like that. And then also on the turbo, where the up pipe mounts to the actual turbo itself, my V-band clamp broke. So I have to go and get a new V-band clamp. So I'll be doing that all tomorrow, and should be able to have it running and driving, in the next 2 days. So we'll get to it and put you guys on a time lapse. And just like that, it's back in the car. So this was the mount that I had to rethread and everything and get it bolted back to the actual block because it pulled those threads out. So that's holding a lot better now. And then you can see that mounts back in, and I was actually able to get all the bolts in. So everything lined up perfectly onto the motor mount, so that worked out great. Really, all we got to start doing is hooking back up the wiring harness, put the radiator in it, stuff like that, the exhaust manifold, put the turbo back on it, which we do have that back now. So we can pretty much get everything ready to go except for that damn fuel line. So it was the fuel line going from here to here, and when I pulled it out, I was pulling the motor out and I forgot to unhook it, and it freaking ripped it. So that was my fault. So I mean, shit happens, so no worries. But we'll get that thing fixed, and hopefully by tomorrow and be able to start this thing up and get it back going again. So I do have a race coming up in September. It's the September 23rd. It's called the All Out Call Out, which It's something that Albuquerque Dragway puts on here in New Mexico. It's pretty much like a street race, so it's really cool. But yeah, I'm getting the sucker ready for it, so I'm gonna be running the 11.5 index, and definitely got to get ready for that. So yeah, we'll get to it, getting everything buttoned back up, and go from there. We got the turbo manifold on there now, so you can see it goes all the way down, around, back up, and then this one goes down and around. So it is a twin scroll. It's a true twin scroll, and I got a wastegate on each pipe. So what we're gonna do now is get the we're gonna get the wastegates on there and the up pipes, and then we'll be able to throw the turbo on there. And that's really, you know, as far as we're going to be able to get. I mean, we'll be able to put the, you know, like the oil drain, oil feed, stuff like that onto the turbo. But that's really about it until tomorrow, till we get the rest of the stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get to it. And, all right, guys, there you go. Turbo is on. So got it all bolted up, all 4 bolts on the flange. Got the wastegates on, got the drain on, the feed on, and that's about as far as I'm gonna be able to get, you know, other than putting like the radiator stuff, the intercooler on. I mean, I still got to hook up the, you know, starter cables, all that good stuff, and then, you know, all the piping. But I think as of right now, that's